Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Suzuki GSX-S1000 Super Sport. This is superbike performance in a comfortable package. This engine's based off of the 05 to 08 long stroke high torque GSX-R1000 engine. Beautiful condition. Only 22,000 miles, frame sliders, fuel injection, liquid cooling, Brembo brakes, fully adjustable suspension, front and rear, traction control to regulate the power. Don't let this one get by you. It's got a fender eliminator kit, just $69.99. Superbike performance for $69.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. That thing is a super performance. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.